Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. A beautiful question of simple harmonic motion where the rotation concept is involved. Let's read the question. A uniform bar of mass m lies symmetrically across two rapidly rotating fixed roller A and B with the distance L between the bars, center of mass and each roller. L between the bars, center of mass and each roller. The roller whose direction of rotation are shown in the figure slip against the bar with coefficient of friction mu. Suppose the bar is displaced horizontally by a distance x and then release. Find the time period of oscillation. Let's solve this problem. Let's try to understand the problem. In the earlier situation, this was the case in the upper one is there, and here we have a mg force was acting, and here normal reaction, and here normal reaction was acting. As the rod was placed symmetrically, both the normal reaction are equal, and 2n is equal to mg was balancing. And based on this, there will be friction force will be there on this block. Here one friction force F, and in the force there is friction force F on the plank, and both the friction force also equal because mu is same, n is same. Mu n, kinetic friction value is mu n, they are in equilibrium over there. But right now what we have done, we have been shifted this one. This plank has been shifted like this. Suppose I gave the name this distance equal to x have been shifted. So if this has been shifted, we'll see ki this value, if I draw the free body with this mg, this will not be here, it will be shifted this side. So here there will be mg will be there. One force will be there mg here. And here this normal reaction equal to suppose give the name n1, and here the normal reaction will give the name n2. So n1 and n2 are right now not same. As it be shifted this side, common sense we can say the n1 will be seems to be more than n2. And if I draw the free body diagram of the block of the plank, there will be a friction force will be acting here called F1. And here there will be friction force will be acting called the F2 because of the kinetic friction. The roller is rubbing against the plank. So what equation I can write if I write the vertical equilibrium, this is vertical equilibrium, so I can write n1 plus n2 minus mg is equal to 0. So from that we got the n1 plus n2 is equal to mg. One equation we got definitely. And in the horizontal direction we'll see what the net force there is equal to, I have taken the right hand side is the positive, right hand side is the positive, so left hand side will be negative. So the net force on the body, net force equal to F is equal to F2 minus F1. And what is F2 minus F1 is equal to mu n2 minus mu n1 is the friction force. So this is equal to mass into acceleration mu times n2 minus n1. So if I get n2 minus n1 value, I can simplify. I know the n2 plus n1 value. I want to get the n2 minus n1. If you see this rod is also in what? Rotational equilibrium, not rotating. So net torque also should be equal to 0. So if you take the torque about the center of mass, if you take the torque about center of mass, what equation we can write? Let's see. So if you see this n1 n2 is acting, if you take the torque about the mg, so net torque has to be equal to 0. So I can write this is equal to n1 into L by 2 minus x. This is perpendicular distance from here to here because we have shifted L, earlier it was L by 2 distance shifted by x, minus n2 into L by 2 plus x, that also should be equal to 0. So simplifying this, we can get from this one n1 minus n2 to be equal to 2 mg by L into x. If you see the previous page, then what was there? If you see, and mu ma is equal to mu n2 minus i1. If you substitute this, I got ma is equal to mu into n2 minus n equal to minus 2 mg by L into x. So this get cancelled. So I got the acceleration of the plank is equal to minus 2 mu g by length of the plank into x. So we saw that acceleration is proportional to x with a negative sign. So this is executive and SHM. So A is equal to minus 2 mu g by L into x. Comparing with our standard equations, we can write this as that omega square is equal to 2 mu z by L, or omega is equal to under root of 2 mu z by L. So from this we can calculate this time period of oscillation equal to 2 pi under root of L by 2 mu z. So the Planck will be oscillating with a time period of 2 pi under root of L by 2 mu z. 2 mu z acceleration it will be oscillating. So if you see this diagram, last problem diagram, so this Planck we have shifted this side, so N1 become more than N2, so F1 become more than F2, so the net force is in this direction. It will provide the restoring force. It will try to come. It will keep on oscillating like this for ever till the time we will keep on rotating the rod, and kinetic friction being provided. It will be doing SHM with an acceleration with a time period of 2 pi under root of L by